Oh my god, I'm so excited, you know why? I got a new puppy. Isn't she cute? Okay, start with all the basics. Her name is Molly. She is 10 weeks old. She's a lab mixed with a shepherd, so she's the type of dog who's really friendly, really playful, and she doesn't get that big. Usually between 35 and 55 pounds, not that big. And she likes to like go camping and go hiking. That's the type of dog she is. And she is very playful, and she's mad that I'm holding her. She wants to run around and play with her toys. So I'm gonna let her do that. Say hi to YouTube. Hi YouTube. So she'll obviously be appearing in my videos. Ow! Oh my god. She has a thing for feet and to do this. Ow! Okay, well, I'm gonna go calm this thing down, so bye!